Welcome to Wyzebulb. We are here to automate your workflows. In this video we will demonstrate how to integrate Facebook lead ads to Google Sheet using Wyzebulb. Let us first log in to Wyzebulb account by clicking on with Sign In with Google or providing your login credentials. Here we have Trigger and Action section where we will be proceeding with integration. Click on Create Flow. Choose Facebook Lead Ads as our trigger application. Select New Leads through Lead Ad Form Submission as trigger event, then Save and Continue. Next step is to connect our Facebook account. Click on Connect Facebook Lead Ads Account. Continue clicking on Connecting with your Facebook account. Click on Save and Continue. Proceed with Setup Event options. Here select our Facebook page name and Facebook form name can be retrieved from your Facebook account when you create a new form. Trigger the test sample by selecting the test sample data. Select the Google Sheets application as action under the Action section. Select Create a new row in Google Sheets as the action event, then click on Save and Continue. Next step is the account connection. Click on Connect Google Sheet account. Choose your account under the account settings and click on Allow to connect your Google Sheet account. Next, save and continue. Here is a sample Google Sheet that has been created with required fields. Move to the Setup Action template. Select Spreadsheet name and Worksheet name from your Google Sheet account. Select Facebook page name. Email from Map the data by selecting from dropdown. Then save and continue. Trigger the test action. If the required fields are filled, a pop model with success message will appear. After clicking on Continue button, navigate to your Google Sheet where a test data will be saved. Now save the flow by providing suitable name. A flow will be saved under My Flow. Each time when a new lead is created from your Facebook account and data will be stored under your Google Sheet. Thank you. For more such automations, visit Wyzebulb.